Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a huge topic that affects every single one of us. How to stop your hard-earned money from losing its value. Inflation is like a silent thief, slowly eating away at the cash you have tucked away in a regular savings account. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. But what if I told you there's a simple, low-risk way to fight back and actually make your money work for you? That's right, we dive in deep into the world of high-yield savings accounts and why they are an absolute game-changer for your financial health, especially as we look ahead to 2026. So, what exactly is a high-yield savings account, or HYSA? Think of it as a supercharged version of the traditional savings account you probably have with your local bank. While big, brick-and-mortar banks might offer you a tiny interest rate, maybe something like 0.01%, high-yield savings accounts offer rates that are significantly higher, often 10, 20, or even 50 times more. How is this possible? It's simply. Most of these accounts are offered by online-only banks. Without the massive overhead costs of physical branches and thousands of employees, they can pass those savings directly onto you in the form of much better interest rates. Your money grows faster, just by sitting there. And let's be clear, these aren't some risky investments. They are FDIC insured, just like your traditional bank accounts, meaning your money is protected up to $250,000 per depositor per bank. It's the perfect blend of safety and growth. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but why are we talking about 2026 specifically? That's a fantastic question. The financial landscape is always changing. Interest rates go up, they come down, and economic forecasts shift. By looking ahead, we're not just reacting to today's market, we're strategically positioning ourselves for the future. The trends we will see now, like the rise of digital banking and a greater emphasis on competitive interest rates, are likely to become even more pronounced. The banks that are leading the pack today are the ones investing in the technology and customer service that will define banking in 2026. Getting into a good HYSA now means you will be ahead of the curve, benefiting from compound interest over the next couple of years and setting yourself up for long-term success. It's about being proactive, not reactive, with your finances. So, let's get into the good stuff. What are the top contenders for the best high-yield savings accounts as we look towards 2026? I've done the research, compared the features, and I'm ready to share my top picks. First up is a name that consistently appears at the top of every list: Ally Bank. Ally has been a powerhouse in the online banking space for years, and for good reason. Their interest rates are always competitive, consistently ranking among the best available, but what really makes Ally stand out is their user experience. Their website and mobile app are incredibly intuitive and easy to use. You can set up savings goals, create different buckets for your money, like an emergency fund, a vacation fund, or a new car fund, and track your progress automatically. They also have no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements, which is good. Plus, their 24/7 customer service is genuinely helpful for someone looking for an all-around fantastic, reliable, and user-friendly option. Ally Bank is a top-tier choice that is well-positioned to continue its leadership into 2026. Next on my list is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. If the name Goldman Sachs makes you think of big-time investment banking, you're right. But with Marcus, they've brought their financial expertise to the everyday consumer. Marcus offers a very straightforward, no-frills high-yield savings account. Their rates are consistently excellent, often neck and neck with Ally. Where Marcus shines is its simplicity. There are no fees, no minimum deposits to open, and their platform is clean and easy to navigate. They focus on one thing and do it exceptionally well, giving you a great return on your savings. If you do need all the fancy budgeting tools and just want a safe place to park your cash and watch it grow at a fantastic rate, Marcus is an absolutely brilliant option. Their backing by one of the biggest names in finance also provides a great sense of security. Our third contender is Capital One 360. You probably know Capital One from their credit cards, but their 360 performance savings account is a force to be reckoned with. They offer a very competitive APY, with no fees and no minimums, hitting all the key marks we're looking for. What's great about Capital One 360 is that it can be part of a larger, integrated banking ecosystem. If you already use or want to use Capital One for your checking account or credit cards, having your savings with them creates a seamless experience. You can instantly transfer money between your accounts, all within one excellent mobile app. They also have a network of Capital One cafes and a few physical branch locations, which can be a nice bonus for those who occasionally want the option of in-person service, blending the best of online and traditional banking. Another fantastic option to consider is Discover Bank. Just like Capital One, You might know them for their credit cards, but their online savings account is a standout product. Discover consistently offers a high APY and has a reputation for stellar US-based customer service. They also offer a full suite of banking products, including checking accounts that earn cash back, which is a rare and valuable feature. There are no account fees and no minimum balance requirements for those who value top-notch customer support and want the ability to build a full banking relationship. With one institution, Discover is a seriously strong contender. Their commitment to customer satisfaction makes them a bank you can trust for the long haul. Finally, let's talk about a slightly newer player that's been making big waves. Sophie started in student loan refinancing but has rapidly expanded into a one-stop shop for all things finance. Their CFI checking and savings account is a unique hybrid product. To get their highest interest rate, you typically need to set up a direct deposit. But if you do, that rate is often one of the absolute best in the market. The account also comes with a ton of perks, like no-fee overdraft coverage, cashback rewards, and access to financial planners. SoFi is really targeting a younger, tech-savvy generation that wants all of their finances managed in one sleek app. If you're looking for a modern, feature-packed banking experience and can set up direct deposit, SoFi could give you the highest return on your cash savings. So, how do you choose the right one for you? It really comes down to your personal priorities. First, always compare the current annual percentage yield, or APY. This is the rate you earn. While they're all competitive, small differences can add up over time. Second, consider the user experience. Do you want a simple, no-frills account like Marcus? Or do you prefer the budgeting tools and buckets offered by Ally? Check out their app reviews. Third, think about fees and minimums. All the accounts I've mentioned are great because they have no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, but always double-check the fine print before opening any account. Finally, consider your existing banking relationships. If you already use Capital One or Discover, it might be most convenient to keep your savings with them. The most important step is to take action. Leaving your money in a traditional savings account in today's environment is like willingly letting it lose value. Opening a high-yield savings account takes just a few minutes online. You'll need your personal information, like your social security number and a driver's license. And you'll need to link an existing bank account to make your first deposit. It's that simple. By making this one small change, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of extra dollars over the next few years through the power of compound interest. It's one of the easiest financial wins you can get. Looking ahead to 2026, the principles remain the same. Fight inflation, make your money work for you, and choose safe, high-growth options. These online banks are leading the charge, and they will likely continue to offer the best rates and features. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you for making this smart move today. That's all for this video. I hope this breakdown was helpful and motivates you to get your savings into a high-yield account. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. And if you get value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how to build your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.